whether you sat at home and watched the game with friends, or you were one of those crazy fans that went down the dead of winter and tailgated 20 degrees below zero and people are outside hooting and hollering down at the stadium, rooting for our Cleveland Browns. But there's one thing we all have in common. We love to cook on Sunday and sit down and watch the game. Today I'm going to be making the official Cleveland Browns chili. You might be asking yourself, well, what is that? Well, you're about to find out. A cheap, quick, slap your mama, damn, this is good chili. Every single year, we root, we scream, and we swear at our televisions. The Cleveland Browns. Cleveland Browns fans are the most loyal bunch of fuck-sane people. The Cleveland Browns fans. The most loyal people in the world who have swearing at your TV down to a pact. At one time we had something called a cardiac brick, which you threw at your TV when they messed up, which was pretty much all the time. Y'all remember that? Cardiac brick? I have one. Let's make some chili. The official Cleveland Browns chili. We're going to dice up these onions that are guaranteed to make you cry. I'm already crying. And these not so hot green peppers. We're going to use our Christmas bowl to put our spoon in because, well, it'll be Christmas before we ever win, so might as well get ready now. Cleveland Browns, where what the fuck are they doing is the most common phrase used on Sunday. Now we're going to add our frozen in time ground beef. Cleveland, where one made field goal can be heard throughout the city. Go Brownies, it's your birthday, Go Brownies, go Brownies. Don't forget to drain your ground beef. Get all that grease out of there. Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? White or dark kidney beans work for this. Doesn't matter. We're all gonna feel the pain in the morning. tomatoes. Crushed tomatoes. We all know how it feels to be crushed. We're going to use the cheap chili mix. This is Aldi's town. It's barely there and guaranteed to repeat. Repeat and repeat. You let that simmer for 30 minutes like our anger and anger management classes. Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Ooh. Cleveland, where 75% of the people are in therapy because Brian Syke left the team. Cleveland, where I can kick a better field goal than Parky. Just in time, the game's starting.
What the fuck
are they doing?
Pitiful.
Cleveland, where the most diehard fans live. And one thing is for certain, we will never cheat on our Cleveland Browns. Enjoy your chili.